Africa, the land of origins, of rhythm and roots, where every drumbeat tells a story and every path leads to something unforgettable. Welcome to SANYU Adventures, your gateway to the soul of Africa. From the wild heart of Uganda's national parks to the misty trails of Bwindi impenetrable forest, we guide you into the wilderness with care and wonder. Every journey with us is guided by licensed, experienced local experts who know the land and love it. But adventure isn't just in the wild. It lives in our people, our traditions, and our homes. With SANYU Adventures, you don't just visit Africa, you connect with her soul. Join us for authentic cultural immersions, from kingdom heritage to village life. We don't do tours. We create relationships. We show you the contrasts, the city lights of Kampala, the peaceful rhythm of the countryside. Urban pulse meets ancestral calm. At SANYU, your safety comes first. Our journeys are fully planned, from the moment you land to your final goodbye. Reliable transport, licensed guides, vetted accommodations, all wrapped in one seamless experience. You'll come for the adventure, but you'll leave with a part of Africa inside you. Because when you travel with SANYU, you travel with purpose. SANYU means joy. Let us open the doors to a continent full of soul, spirit, and unforgettable stories. Come, Africa is calling, and we're here to welcome you home.